So as you see guys, I just received this new PLA filament. It's pearl white, which turned out really cool, really amazing. I didn't expect it to be so cool. I wasn't planning, to be honest, to make this bee with the pearl white. I was hoping for some transparent one, but I ran out of that, and the new one did not arrive yet. So it really worked out for the best. I told you again about my technique, and it's that I basically start from a section of my drawing, of my sketch, and then I build up, sort of. But you just witnessed one sort of small failure. Sometimes I try to build part of it and then attach it later, but it doesn't always work out. Anyway, unfortunately, I lost the footage of the wings and the legs, so that's it for this bee. It was sad because it turned out really nice. It was a really cute bee. Oh, so sad. Okay, I'm kidding. No, I'm not kidding. I did lose the footage, but I wanted to make it up to you by sketching a few more bees. So I sketched a few more bees. I experimented a lot with my video shooting, and I thought, okay, let's make like 5 or 10 or 100 bees. I did not make 100 bees, don't worry, but I did make quite a few of them. You're probably wondering by now, I mean, I was pretty straightforward with the mosquito, what made the mosquito come out, and you're probably wondering, okay, but why a bee, right? Or 3 bees? Or 100 bees? Nobody knows, we'll find out. So I wanted to talk to you about Roger Ekirch. He's a professor, and he wrote a book. It's called, well, he wrote a couple of books, but this specific book is called At Day's Close, and it discusses social history of nighttime. And this guy argues that pre-industrial people slept in 2 phases, so they had an hour awake in between, right? And why am I saying this? I just wanted you to know that it's normal for people to take breaks between sleep. It's not normal not to take breaks. It's documented that people would wake up, go visit their neighbors, or have coffee or tea or whatever, and then they would go back to sleep. So I'll break for this from the story. This is what I'm doing. I'm building a part on my table, and this is one of the few successful times. I just wanted to give the thorax of the bee a little guidance, maybe, or a base, because it was turning out too small. And I love this filament, but it melts a lot, so it kind of crumbles or falls a little bit apart, not apart, but it melts within, and I can't really build a structure the way I do with other filaments. Like my mosquito filament was pretty, like the material I used for mosquito was pretty solid. Anyway, so I built the thorax. I start the base of the thorax on my table, and then I just attach it. Here are my wings. I managed to make beautiful wings for the first bee, and then it never really happened for me again. But I got this idea from a mosquito. I built layers of wings, and it makes it look impressive. I don't know, I love this idea. Like, I would draw stuff for days if I can attach wings to it. We'll see in my next video, like, can I add wings? We'll see. Anyway, back to my sleep story, okay? So the reason I'm drawing a bee is because, you know, like, taking breaks between sleep is normal. We agree on that by now, right? So I was coming back from my break to finish my sleep. I had another like 4 hours before the morning, and so I lay down on my bed. I usually start by laying down sideways, and then I'll turn with my face downwards. So I'm laying sideways, and I feel like this thing pinching like through my bones, my ribs. And I put my hand to see if there's something there. There's nothing there. But then as soon as I remove my hand and my ribs touch the bed again this pain, right? So then I get up and it's a bee. And it didn't sting me or anything. I think. I wasn't sure if it stung me or not. But anyway, I watched the bee walk away, and then I thought to myself, am I more worried about whether I got stung and whether I'm allergic? Or am I trying to get as much sleep as I can? Turns out, I just wait for the bee to move on and go back to sleep. And it's nothing weird until you know my allergy history. Like, I used to be cool with everything. I would eat the weirdest things. I would eat anything. But the past few years, I'm allergic to everything. I don't know, like, give me the simplest thing. I'm allergic to it. I'm allergic to breathing. I'm allergic to, I don't know. I'm allergic to everything. So, it was a rather funny moment when I told some of my family about this in the morning. The fact that I went back to sleep. Turns out I did not get stung, so I still don't know if I'm allergic to bees or anything. I do wish for it to remain that way. I don't want to get hurt. I'm pretty sure it hurts. My sister's allergic to it, so yeah, I don't really want to find out. But I am happy with how this turned out. I loved it. I love how cute these are and how they fit in my hands and with the amount of them. And I hope you can see how awesome my pearl white filament turned out. So as we're approaching the end, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with your sleeping habits. See you guys next week. I actually have to go. My mom just got home. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. But while we're at it, and since you're here and everything, I don't wanna let you guys go. So I'll go have a glass of Coke while you guys check out my bee. See you later. Hopefully. I bet you're wondering what I've been printing this week. I'm gonna tell you. Something super cute. Ta-da! And yes, it was inspired by another sleep session of mine. And you guys are probably curious about my sleep. I mean, some pretty awesome things happened to me during my sleep, right? So I'll be sketching about it. I hope you stick around to check it out. Let's check this one out, right? Bye. Enjoy it. It's pretty cute.